Want to save your favorite Telegram stickers straight to your phone or computer's gallery? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it, so you'll be able to use those stickers outside of Telegram, share them with friends, or maybe even turn them into your own memes. By the end, you'll know each step and feel confident saving any Telegram sticker you want. Let's jump right in. To get started, open up Telegram. You can do this in any chat really, whether you're in a group chat, a channel, or just sending a message privately to a friend. Find the smiley icon, usually it's down near the message box where you type. Give that a click. Now this icon's going to open up all your emoji, your GIFs, and most importantly, your stickers. If you don't see stickers right away, look for a tab or section labeled stickers and tap on that. You'll probably see all the sticker packs you've added to your Telegram, so you've got your stickers in front of you. Now pick out the sticker you want to save. To make the sticker accessible for saving, you'll actually need to send it to the chat. Even if you're in a group and you don't necessarily want everyone to see it, don't worry, you can always delete the message later if you want. Just click or tap the sticker and it'll appear in the chat window. Here's the slightly less obvious part. The sticker sitting there in the chat is different from the preview in the sticker menu. To save the actual image, you need to interact with the sticker that's already been sent. If you're on a computer, just move your mouse over the sticker, then right-click on it. On some devices like a touchscreen or phone, you might need to tap and hold, but for most, right-clicking is going to be the way to go. A menu pops up. Look for the option that says Save As and go ahead and click that. Now pause for a second. A new window will pop up asking you where you want to save this file. You can navigate around your folders just like you're saving a photo or a document. Maybe choose your Pictures folder or somewhere easy to find later. You can even rename the file if you want to keep your stickers organized. Then just hit Save, that's it. If you check the folder where you just saved the file, you should see that sticker saved as an image, often as a web file, which is Telegram's default format for stickers. This file can be shared, edited, or converted to other image types, depending on what you want to do. If you want to use stickers in WhatsApp or Instagram or just share them in a group chat outside of Telegram, having the file makes it super easy. Keep in mind this process works for any sticker in Telegram, so you can repeat it as much as you like. If something isn't working, say the sticker doesn't save properly, or you can't find the Save As button, double check you've sent it to the chat, and that you're right-clicking directly on the sent sticker, not just looking at the preview. And there you have it, you're ready to start building your own collection of Telegram stickers outside the app. If you found this tutorial useful, please tap that like button, and if you have any questions or get stuck anywhere, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple how-tos just like this. Thanks for watching and happy sticker saving.